I saw my neighbor with a pair of these earlier this year, and I instantly knew I had to have some for myself. I asked her where she got them and what they were called, but she couldn't remember. I started my web search with the term big garden hands. It turns out that they tend to be called leaf scoops or hand rake. I think I like my name better. Whatever you call them, these are terrific for garden cleanups. I like them for picking up piles of debris because they protect your hands from sharp sticks or prickly thistle stems or juniper trimmings or whatever it is that you need to pick up. Using a scoop in each hand, sometimes you don't even need to rake first. You can get the majority of the yard waste picked up, sandwiched between the big hands, and just dumped directly into your leaf bag. If you have raked up a pile of garden debris, another great move is to hold the rake in one hand and wear a big hand in the other. I really prefer this method instead of trying to rake directly into the garden bag. If you'd like to know more about my great lawn bag holder, see the description for a link to my video on the leaf and lawn chute. There's also a link to the big hand leaf scoops in the description. Thanks for watching.